Hi, I'm Ricardo and this is Petit Coding. So what we're gonna do is we're going to do an app using Swift and using test-driven development that is TDD, and I'm gonna show you what the app is going to be about. So let me just show you what the app. I have the app here created. Okay, so let's say you have the first section, which is an emblem section. The second section is a button to get the date, and the third section is the available date for the next emblem. So for example, right now we are on February 16, 2020, and let's say I want to know the next available date for the marksman emblem. I select marksman emblem. It gets me back to this screen, and then tap on the get date. As you can see, the bottom, the third section updates, and it says Thursday, February 27, 2020 at 3 a.m. Okay, and this is right now is using the GMT -5 because that's my local time zone. Okay, so just let me give you a little bit of background. Where did I get uh, this emblem idea? I got it from this game. As you can see here is the Mobile Legends game. Now not deleted. And as you can see, I can go here and go to the preparation, and here are my emblems, right? So what I wanted to do is to get the specific date when the next emblem is going to be available. As you can see, you can ignore these magic and physical emblems first, because the app only uses this from tank to marksman. And let me show you what I mean of the next available dates. So if you go to preparation, shop, preparation, as you can see right now, the feature emblem type right now, it's assassin emblem. It's 30 hours, okay? 30 hours? Yeah, 30 hours. And this rotates from this emblem configuration. The next one, after 30 hours, you can see after the assassin emblem, I will get the mage emblem. And after the mage emblem, I'll get the fighter emblem. And this updates every 3 days, which is 72 hours. So we can create an app for this, since it has a specific algorithm, and you will get something as the app I showed you before. That's over here. And you can see, for example, when is the support emblem is going to be available. And the support emblem is going to be available Monday, February 24th, 2020 at 3 a.m. So without further ado, let's get started.